As we step into 2025, the new year brings with it a unique opportunity to reset, refocus, and redefine how we live our lives. It's not just another year, it's a blank canvas waiting for you to shape it. But how do we make 2025 a year that stands out? Stoicism, a timeless philosophy, offers profound guidance. Today, I'll share 6 Stoic rules to help you approach this year with wisdom, resilience, and purpose. These rules are not just principles. They are tools to transform your mindset and elevate your life. Rule 1. Focus on what you can control. At the heart of Stoicism lies the understanding that some things are within our control, while others are not. This might seem simple, but it's life-changing when applied consistently. Think about the worries you carry into 2025. Are they about external events, like the state of the economy or someone else's behavior? Or are they about things you can actually influence, like your actions, decisions, and responses? When you focus on what's within your control, you free yourself from unnecessary stress. Imagine starting each day by identifying what you can actively work on and consciously releasing everything else. The result? Clarity, peace of mind, and the ability to channel your energy where it truly matters. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Make this the year you master your reactions. Rule 2. Embrace challenges as growth opportunities. Challenges are inevitable in 2025. Whether they come in the form of personal struggles, professional hurdles, or unexpected events, life will test you. But what if, instead of resisting these challenges, you embrace them? Stoics believed that every obstacle is an opportunity to grow stronger. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." This year, view challenges as your training ground. Each setback is a lesson, each failure a stepping stone. When faced with adversity, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can this situation make me better? By shifting your perspective, you transform challenges from barriers into bridges. Rule 3. Practice gratitude daily. In the pursuit of goals and ambitions, it's easy to lose sight of what you already have. Gratitude is a Stoic practice that keeps us grounded and content. Seneca wisely said, "Nothing is enough for the man to whom enough is too little." In 2025, make it a habit to pause and reflect on the blessings in your life. These could be as simple as a warm sunrise, the laughter of a loved one, or the strength to overcome a tough day. Gratitude shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance, from what's missing to what's present. Consider starting a gratitude journal. Each day, jot down 3 things you're thankful for. Over time, this practice will rewire your mind to seek the good, even in difficult circumstances. Rule 4. Live fully in the present moment. How often do we get lost in regrets about the past or anxieties about the future? Stoicism teaches us that the present moment is all we truly have. Epictetus urged, "Keep your attention focused entirely on what is truly your own concern, and be clear that what belongs to others is their business and none of yours." Living in the present doesn't mean ignoring the future. It means not letting it rob you of today. In 2025, strive to be mindful in your actions, whether it's sharing a meal, working on a project, or simply enjoying a quiet moment. Mindfulness can be practiced in many ways: meditation, deep breathing, or even just pausing throughout the day to observe your thoughts and surroundings. When you're fully present, life becomes richer and more meaningful. Rule 5. Align your actions with your values. Who do you want to be in 2025? Not what you want to achieve, but the kind of person you want to become. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of living in alignment with your core values. Take time to reflect on what matters most to you. Is it honesty? Compassion? Courage? Whatever your values, let them guide your actions this year. When you act in harmony with your principles, you will find inner peace and a sense of purpose that no external success can replace. Ask yourself, does this decision reflect my values? Am I living in a way that aligns with the person I aspire to be? When your actions and values align, you become unshakable, no matter what life throws at you. Rule 6. Cultivate self-discipline. Self-discipline is the cornerstone of a fulfilling life. Without it, we're slaves to our impulses and distractions. With it, we gain control over our destiny. In 2025, set clear, meaningful goals for yourself. Break them into small, actionable steps and commit to them daily. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. Even small, consistent efforts can lead to extraordinary results over time.